This account is a genius because while everyone is posting brain rot, they are pulling 35.8 million views, 22.7 million views, and even a massive 130 million views on just a single video. It's this new niche that they've invested, and it's going viral. This niche is an absolute goldmine because the emotional storytelling hooks viewers instantly. It is still heavily unsaturated, and the best part is that you can generate the entire video using simple AI tools. To show you the proof, here's what I made in 10 minutes. In a small rural African village, a 12-year-old boy dreamed of solving the village's water shortage. Every afternoon, he searched through piles of discarded bicycle parts and broken machines, determined to build something that could help his community. After weeks of experimenting, he finally built a homemade solar-powered water pump. Alright, now let me tell you how to make videos like that. First, you need to open ChatGPT and paste in your main content creation prompt. The AI will instantly generate several hyper-realistic video concepts, complete with specific image and motion prompts. Scroll down to review the options and highlight the second story concept about a genius boy who builds a solar water pump. From there, copy the full text block containing all 6 scene breakdowns. Open a new chat window in ChatGPT so you have a clean workspace for the next step. Paste the copied text into the input box and type a command to convert all the original story text into one single paragraph. Hit enter, and the AI will compress the narrative into a seamless voiceover script. By the way, if you want to make this content for TikTok but are outside the Creator Reward Program regions, then check out the accounts I have in the description. Once your single paragraph script is ready, highlight the entire block of text and copy it. Now you need to generate the realistic voiceover, so go to 11 Labs using the link in the description and sign in with your Google account. Click on the Speech tab at the top of your dashboard to open the text-to-speech engine. Clear out any default text in the main input box and paste your new paragraph script. From there, click on the Voice Selection drop-down menu to choose an appropriate narrator. Select the voice labeled Roger, and then click the Generate button on the right side of the screen to render your high-quality audio file. Next, you need to turn the AI visual prompts into cinematic clips. Go to GoScript using the link in the description to access your video generation tools. Click on the top left menu button to open your workspace navigation panel. Select the Kling 3.0 video generator option from the sidebar to launch the model interface. Now navigate back to your ChatGPT tab, where your detailed scene prompts are stored. Highlight the second image prompt and motion prompt, detailing the boy searching through piles of scrap metal. Copy that entire technical description block and return to your OpenArt tab. Paste the prompt directly into the main video description box at the bottom. Once that is done, click the arrow button on the right side of the input box to start generating your hyper-realistic video clip. Now you need to repeat this process with all your scenes. Before we edit, if you want to get access to the best niches before I post them, and you want one-on-one coaching from me where I literally answer every question, and my short-form content course, then join my community. It's the cheapest it'll ever be right now. Now let us put everything together. Download CapCut using the link in the description and open up a new 9x16 vertical project. Click on the Media tab on the left panel and upload your voiceover track alongside all your generated video clips. Drag the 11 Labs audio file down onto the main timeline first to establish your pacing. From there, select your first video clip from the media library and drop it onto the video track right above the audio. Use the split tool to trim the clip exactly where the narrator finishes the first sentence. Drag your second clip down next to it, aligning it perfectly with the secondary audio segment. Continue this precise trimming process for all 6 clips until your visuals perfectly match the narrative timeline. Once your video sequence is locked in, click on the Text tab on the left menu bar to create your subtitles. Select the Auto Captions option from the sub-menu and make sure the language drop-down is set to English. Click the blue Generate button and wait a few seconds for the software to transcribe the audio. Now move over to the Templates tab on the right side of the screen to style the text. Scroll down the preset list until you find the bold yellow and white template. Click it once to instantly apply the dynamic styling to every caption on your timeline. Review the full playback one last time to ensure everything looks clean. Finally, click the blue Export button in the top right corner and hit download to save your finished viral video. If you want to fast-track your success and get personal guidance implementing this exact strategy, make sure to join my coaching community today.